MEDIOFARM has been the leader of the pharmaceutical industry in Uzbekistan since 1994, creating innovative and reliable medicines. Welcome to MEDIOFARM, where cutting-edge technology meets years of experience. Our production facilities are designed and built in accordance with international GMP standards. Every detail of our infrastructure serves one purpose: to create medicines of the highest quality. Strict quality control at all stages of production guarantees the effectiveness and safety of medicines. Our products help people to live a full life. We are proud to contribute to the development of healthcare in Uzbekistan by supporting social projects and taking care of the health of future generations. Labeling and packaging is the final stage of production, where each package is thoroughly checked before being sent to the consumer. Innovation and employee development in a modern 600 square meter center. MEDIOFARM cooperates with the world's best suppliers, introduces innovations and expands the range of medicines not previously produced in Uzbekistan. MEDIOFARM, medicines that can be trusted.